In the last 14 days, you just got on MPM Unlimited. In 14 days, you were able to get a job. How do you feel? Tell me a little bit more about
I'm so happy because before I was not even getting the interviews.
that.
So, like I did supply chain and business management here, then I was working in a restaurant and Amazon. So, I got promoted even in a freshie from team member to supervisor, then at Amazon from warehouse associate to problem solver. But I was not satisfied. So I started applying another job, but I was not getting any reply. After joining MPM, I don't know, there was magic. I started getting the interview calls.
Fantastic. So for the screening call, Parminder, were you able to use the interview techniques that we talked about during the job
Yes,
interview?
yes, I did. I did. Like your interview techniques, like it improved my skills and I gained confidence. I am more confident now. Like I can do something. Before I was like, I am useless.
Oh,
I
yeah.
can't do.
Yeah, never think like that. See, here you are with a good customer
Yeah,
associate, customer service specialist position at Rogers. It's not a small company, it's a big
I
company.
know. I know.
And here we are.
I
So you
did.
joined the free webinar, you moved to the job hunt webinar, and then from the job hunt webinar, you came to our MPM Unlimited. Tell
Yes.
me first, before you tell me about your experience with MPM, what do you think now that you know all about job hunt after MPM's help? What do you think you were doing wrong?
First off, my resume. I was making wrong resume. I had a really good experience, but I was not sure how to make the good resume, right? It was just really simple.
Mhm.
So first off, I learned that thing. Then I learned how to connect on LinkedIn, how to find a job on LinkedIn.
Yeah.
And most of thing, unlike after hearing, like after learn, I also learned that how to gain a confidence, right? Believe in yourself.
Parminder,
Yeah.
so far, it's not even been a month since you've joined MPM Unlimited. You already have a well-secured job in hand. Plus, you're aiming for the next bigger, better job.
Yes.
What do you think your best part about MPM has been? Like, what's your top two best takeaways from MPM that you think that this has really, really helped?
First of all, I was not using LinkedIn.
Mm,
I was not familiar how to apply for the job, how to make our like connections and everything. This is the best thing that I learned from MPM Unlimited.
networking.
And yeah, networking. And second thing, like you guys are guiding us always. You are always ready to guide us. That is like a big thing for me. There was no one who guided me before.
Do you think
Like,
these mentors at MPM Unlimited, जो सारे हमारे mentors हैं at MPM
yeah,
Unlimited,
yeah.
do you think
They
these
are,
were the people that helped you out and इनकी वजह से you were able to, get a secure job in 14 days?
yes, even each mentor is helping me a lot. You are also helping me
Mhm.
before. Even I talked with the Babu yesterday
Yeah.
about the banking sector because I am also trying into banking sector, right? I had another conversation before Karan.
Yeah.
So they are really helping me. They are sending me like what certification I need to do,
Mhm.
what how can I apply for the job, what I need to change in the resume. So
Mhm.
I'm getting a lot of help. Yeah.
As an immigrant, Parminder, it's very hard to be, come thousands of kilometers away from home in this completely different world with no family and background, doing labor job, Amazon warehouse or Tim Hortons or, security jobs.
Yes,
Now that
I
you
did
have
everything.
a good corporate career, what would you recommend someone who's going through what you've gone through? Would you recommend MPM to them, and what would you guide them with?
Yeah, I definitely, even I recommend to my sister to join the MPM Unlimited. So she said I will join soon. It's a really good platform, right? Moreover, we are getting the confidence, right? For me, it was a really big thing. I was like feeling totally useless. I was like, why I'm not getting any interviews? I have a lot of experience. I have a lot of skills. Why I'm not getting any interviews? So, like, how can I say? Like, this is the magic for me.
That's awesome. I'm so happy that MPM Unlimited has been that one guide that you could rely on every single day, every single
Yeah,
week until you land a job. And that's, that's our goal. That's the whole
yeah,
point of MPL Unlimited is now you have 6x time mentors who are always available for you. It doesn't matter what time, what
yeah.
it is.